What's up, guys? It's your mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Guys, make sure that you click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. You don't miss anything on this channel. Yeah, today, guys, I'll be sharing much more information about getting sniper entries, and I'll show you how we managed to get sniper entries on the Euro USD. And I'm just waiting for a correction so that I can scale in and continue with my moves. Guys, you need to be aware of when you are trading, an entry and exit point are two most important things as well. You understand? Not only how much you are risking, but also you must know when you are entering and when you are exiting. And also you must know the type of entry you're taking. Are you taking a market execution or are you taking a pending order? You understand? The pending order, we have similar patterns like your sell stops, your buy stops, your sell limits, and your buy limit. So you need to be aware where the market is and if you are taking that specific trade. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the charts. Okay, guys, this is just the trade that we managed to catch on Euro USD. Many of you will ask themselves, how did I manage to catch this trade? Okay, as you know how we analyze, guys. Okay, let me do this. How I managed to catch that, I'll start from the daily time frame. I'll remove everything so that you can be able to go with me and take notes as well. Look at what is currently happening. We saw this. As you know, with our Forex Hero strategy, you are able to see these moves before they happen. So we saw this from daily time frame. Already by me drawing this line from this peak, from this peak and this one, we already see that the market is playing below. Obviously, we are expecting another peak to possibly happen, but always remember, guys, you trade what you see. Don't just say now you said this must come here, now you're gonna buy. No, as you go down, you scale down to lower time frame, you'll be able to see what the market is giving you and what the market is informing you on what to do. So let's look at what is currently happening. With this happening, we can already see that we are having a downtrend because the market is failing to break this diagonal resistance. It's a resistance. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clone it. You press Control and you drag it. So now I have this, but remember, we always use our significant point. So I'll take it here, as you know that we use our chart patterns. And also I'll point out my highest point. I know many people sometimes they put their highest point in this manner. No, as I've explained, I like putting my highest point with this so that I can be able to see that I'm looking at this area, but I know that all the way it caters, there's a significant, it comes with practice, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. I know, guys, if I take my peak, it comes with practice. If I put my peak here, it responds all throughout. There's a similar information happening. You see this, but I don't need that at the moment. I was doing that in the past, but now it comes with practice and experience. At the moment, I'm able to know that this peak previously it will represent something. So now I have my point. I can see that we are playing this is the support, but also diagonal. So now we are in a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You can also go to Google. Just want you guys to see what I mean. Okay. Can you see this downtrend? You have your high, your lower low, your lower high, your lower low, your lower. So it's like this. So in a chart, it will be something like this downtrend. So you can see this is similar to what we are having here. Okay. Now I have my points here. Then I managed to take advantage of this. Let's now go to 4 hour. Okay. I had this point, and then this also became my horizontal zone. You need to understand the zones, guys. So you might as well remove the line, but I like to keep them like this because it shows me the point and also the area. And how do you draw this? You must cater for, you cannot draw it like this. You must cater for at most significant area, because as we know that the market sometimes it pushes into this area like this, then comes back. So the zone is not a price, but is an area of price, a sensitive, significant area. So then the peaks will be this one, but as I've mentioned that I'll only draw up to here. Okay, now I'm gonna delete this, show you guys how we managed to catch this one. Was a very good trade. I see it's pushing. We are in deep profits. Okay, then what I did, this had not happened instead. So how we caught it from here, from the top, I drew our chart pattern. How would you know that it's gonna turn here? We have our significant zone around this area, and then another confirmation will be this. So you can see we are resisting to break this diagonal resistance. This is at the bottom is a support, and this is a resistance. So this is a rising wedge. Rising wedge. We came here, we touch here, we went here, we touch here, boom. And we're expecting it to come around this level because it will be the 90% rule. The 90% rule, which simply says the market will go to where the correction started, or you can also say it is a triangle. A triangle. Can I find it? Okay. I want to show you something. Triangle at 90 degrees. So basically this is how this was looking. 90 degrees. Can I get 90 degrees here? 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Let's get 90 degrees. Yes. 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 This one. Are you 90? Not yet. Okay. Yes, this is my 90 degrees. We're expecting the market to come here, as we call it the 90% rule or the right angle triangle. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. As I've mentioned that we are in profit, we managed to catch this move from the top here. We managed to sell at the retest. The market, when it touched here for the first time, it was our third touch, but the way in which it started to come down, I saw that it's coming in a corrective manner. And what I did, I drew this, whereas it was coming out. Then I had this. It's here, here. It's here. Then I had here, because now I knew that we are having a resistance here and we are having an M formation, which is a retest, a double top here. So we are bound to go down. So I took a risk into here. I took a market execution and I had my sell stops. Let me show you. I took a first trade was here. Yes, the top. And then my second stops were here in my just above here. So we are targeting it all the way down. So when it broke here, it triggered my sell stop, but I had already in profit. And then as it went down, I kept on decreasing my risk. So now my risk currently, let me look, my risk currently it's around here. Around here, above this line. I'm not expecting the market to reverse all the way. So this is what I have currently. This is what I have currently. I'm waiting for a correction so that I can scale in. I see that this is a break. So what I'm waiting for, it's this, a correction, then boom, go further down. So as you know, sometimes I like to draw it. Oops. Excuse. I like to draw it like this. And shoot to the downside. So as you know, I like using this brush because you know sometimes the market it's not really a given in a ruler form. Sometimes it bounces a lot. So this is what I'll be waiting for. Correction, and then I will draw this similar pattern. Then I will further scale in. By scaling in, I mean I'll be increasing my orders, adding more orders, sell. Here at the risk again, and I'll take another one at the break here of this rising wedge. Can be a rising wedge, it can be a bearish flag. So you just need to see how the market is correcting. If it's correcting to the upside, we expect a further move to the downside. You understand? So guys, make sure that you understand the market and also be able to understand that you can make $10 per day, $50 per day, $100 per day, only if you follow your rules. You need to set your rules. You need to understand the rules, why you are taking that trade. Even here, you can see the sniper entry. Even here, can you see the entry here? Your entry here will come from here. You can see it was a retest. It will come from here. See? So guys, it's not easy as I make it. It comes with practice. You ask yourself, okay, but how does he make it so easy? And guys, if you like to learn directly from me, click the link below and join the Forex Heroes community. You get the support that you need. And you can see with this one, how would we take this trade? You can see we have 1, 2. This is the third touch. So we know that, okay, at the break, pattern within a pattern. You see, look what is happening. It's correcting to the upside. Obviously, we are expecting correction. Boom, to the downside. So guys, I'm just sharing with you guys how we catch these entries. You need my undivided attention. You have to join our course. And join our course from anywhere in the world. So let's see also here. Your sell will be here. You wait for the market, guys. There's no rush. Look, you would have forced to sell maybe here, saying no, it's gonna come back. But then what if they kick you out, and then look, you would have lost on this big movement. As I always explain to guys, trading opportunities are like trains. You miss this one, there's another one coming. Let's see. So guys, make sure you practice identifying. So you can see most of the time Euro USD, that's why I say familiarize yourself with 1 or 2 patterns, because what they do pairs, they tend to repeat the same thing that happened. You can see here what we have. We have this movement coming here, and it came here and came here. Now it's correcting. You can see, then it break here, then it has boom. Look how nice this trade was. Here it formed a bullish trend here, but then in a corrective manner. So we get this one at the retest. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. Guys, Forex Heroes is here to assist the people, so share with the rest of the world. And also, if you're interested in our course, if you'd like to use the broker that I'm using, click the link below. Peace.